Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove the SOS on your iPhone. So let's get started. You might be wondering why there's an SOS on your iPhone. Having an SOS on your iPhone means that you are unable to connect to your wireless connection. One of the reasons why this might be happening is because your phone doesn't have a SIM card or your SIM card is no longer functioning well. Another reason might be your wireless connection is facing an issue or having an outage. The first thing you might want to do is restart your phone if you haven't already. If it's still not working, go to your settings. After that, go to General. And now we're going to check if you have carrier settings update. To do that, go to About, and if it tells you that you have a carrier settings update, go ahead and install that update and reboot your phone. If you don't have that update, go back to General and scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. So, just select that. Now that you're here, go on and select Reset and select Reset Network Settings. You need to enter your passcode and it will ask you again if you really want to reset it. Take note, once you reset your network settings, all of the Wi-Fi networks that you have saved on your iPhone would be erased unless you back them up to iCloud. So, make sure that your SIM card is working correctly and your wireless connection is not having an issue. And just go ahead and reset your network settings. This will reboot your iPhone and it could hopefully remove the SOS on your phone. If this video helps you, be sure to like this video and subscribe.